out of the blue allows you to download the entire acquisition analysis as a report. Here I am looking at last 7 days. Once the data load, no matter in which tab you are, you can simply click on this download CSV option to get the output. The output will expose which store it belongs to, which channel campaign is from, and which campaign. Then along with that, it will export almost all the necessary metrics that are available in out of the blue. Once you have this output, you can sort of manipulate this. Let's say I convert this into a table and create a pivoted summarized table from this. What I can then do is I can go by store, by channel, and look at all my spend, which is the current 7 days and previous 7 days, and also look at spend change between that period. You can even have a view like this. How did Facebook ads change between two stores? Not only this, you can also look at by store campaigns. How did they change over time? You can even download this at the creatives level, similarly by landing page or by ad sets and channels.